Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing meal prep, eating healthy without breaking the bank. It's a common misconception that healthy eating has to be expensive, but that's simply not true. By planning ahead and making a few smart choices, you can save money while still enjoying nutritious, delicious meals. So, let's dive in. Meal Planning 101. How to save money and time. The first step to meal prepping on a budget is to make a meal plan. Before you head to the grocery store, take some time to plan out your meals for the week. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and ensure that you have everything you need to prepare healthy meals at home. Smart shopping. How to stick to your budget at the grocery store. Next, make a grocery list based on your meal plan. Stick to the list when you're at the store to avoid unnecessary purchases. One helpful tip is to shop for produce that's in season, as it tends to be more affordable and flavorful. Versatile ingredients. How to make the most of your meal prep. When meal prepping, it's important to choose ingredients that are versatile and can be used in multiple meals. For example, a large batch of quinoa or brown rice can be used in salads, stir-fries, and more. Batch cooking. The secret to easy meal prep and less food waste. Batch cooking is another great way to save time and money. Consider making a large batch of soup, chili, or stew and portioning it out for meals throughout the week. You can also freeze leftovers to enjoy later on. Reduce food waste and save money with meal prep. Meal prepping can also help reduce food waste. When you plan your meals ahead of time, you can use up ingredients before they go bad. Additionally, you can repurpose leftovers into new meals to avoid throwing them away. Protein on a budget. How to choose affordable options. When it comes to protein sources, consider opting for plant-based options like lentils, beans, and tofu, which tend to be more affordable than meat. You can also buy meat in bulk and freeze it for later use. Meal prep containers, the key to fresh and easy meals. Finally, invest in some high-quality meal prep containers. These will make it easier to portion out your meals and keep them fresh throughout the week. Glass containers are a great option as they are reusable and microwave safe. Healthy eating on a budget, simple changes for a better lifestyle. By meal prepping on a budget, you can save money and eat healthier. So, give it a try and see how much money you can save each week. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and wellness. Thanks for watching today's video on meal prep, eating healthy without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Leave a comment below and let us know your favorite meal prep recipe or money-saving tip.